turns out that was not the waterfall we were looking for, and we're not quite there yet. Whew, it's getting bright now. But we are almost there, but look how pretty everything is right now. I don't know if you can tell. There's this giant mountain right there. So freaking gorgeous right now. I'm in heaven, I really am. This is my first like legit hike, and I think this is my new favorite thing to do in my life.
I guess for me this isn't one mistake for being together, but let's not why it's not right. You won't be sad forever. And we can play with this tonight. Young and I instead, your life's beyond your years, but I don't care, and I can feel your heartbeat. You know exactly where to take me. One mistake for being together, but let's not ask why it's not right. You won't be 17 forever, and
We just found Mowgli from the Jungle Book. Okay, we're all kind of worried a little bit. There doesn't seem to be any kind of family with him. Jungle Book's real, y'all. He's even giving battle cries.
you remember me? You ask me as I leave. Remember what I said? Oh, how could I? You ask me. How could I forget? One mistake for being together, but let's not ask why it's not right. You won't be 17 forever, and we can get away with this tonight. One mistake for being together, but let's not ask why it's not right. You won't be 17 forever, and we can get away with this tonight. One mistake for being together, but let's not ask why it's not right. You won't be 17 forever, and we can get away with this tonight.
Alrighty, so we made it down the mountain, and it was super fun. Exhausted, my legs are pretty much jelly, even though it was probably a baby hike for like a legit climber, but for the first time it was great. And now we're gonna go get some food. We out!